Birthday, Dea!
Happy Christianing and welcome to the Christian world.
God bless you and your family.
Pamela,
I love
and
you,
Daddy Long, we love you always. I love you.
Wish you.
We
Bye-bye.
miss you. See you soon, baby. Love you.
Susundawan niya yung princess. Ha?
Dea, happy first birthday. Sana lagi kang healthy. I love you. See you soon, baby. Mwah.
Hi Adea, happy birthday and happy Christianing. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and God bless you and your family. I love you. See you soon.
Hello, Dea. Happy birthday and happy christening. My wish for you is for you to have a good health and a bright future. And I wish to see you very soon. I love you so much, baby.
Happy birthday, Adea! Wish ko sa'yo, mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo dyan sa Italy. Be a good girl. Huwag kalimutan laging mag-smile. At huwag pasaway kay Daddy. I love you. See you soon.